Welcome back. In this video, we'll learn about the operators in Java. Operators are special tools that allow us to perform various tasks. For example, mathematical equations, mathematical calculations, logic operations, and so on. Let's start with the first type of operators, which is the arithmetic. Arithmetic operators help us do math in our programs. They work with numbers. So what are the arithmetic operators that we use in the school? The plus sign, the minus sign, the multiplication, which is the asterisk, and the division. And there is a new operator that we're gonna introduce in this video, which is the modulus. Let's start with the addition. It's like adding two numbers together. So for example, system.out.print, and I'm adding 1 plus 2. Let me run the program. You can see we have 3 as a result. Now let's try to multiply. Run again. And you can see number 2 is the result. Now, let's introduce the modulus. It's like finding the leftover after sharing things equally. So for example, if I have 10 here and I am divided it by 5, the division will result in 2. Look, please pay attention with me now. The division, the normal division, it will result in 2. 10 over 5 is 2. But the remainder, there is no remainder because if 2 times 5 will result in 10, so there is no remainder. Let me try this modulus operator. Let me run here. And we can see that the 0 is the result. There is no remainder, so this modulus will give us the remainder. 10 modulus 5 is equal to 0. 10 over 5 or divided by 5 will be 2. So this is the remainder, the leftover of the division and the division operator. Okay, let's move to another type of operators, which is the comparison operators. These operators help us compare things to see if they are true or false. We have equal to, it's like asking if two things are the same. We have an integer x equal to 10. I am printing out the value or the result of this comparison. I am comparing the variable x, the value of variable x. If it is equal to 9, 9 does not equal 10. So the result will be false. Let me run and see. And here we go. It's false. Now, let's try to make it 10. Let me run again. And we have here true. So here we're going to compare x with the value 10. If it is equal, it will return true. Now, let's move to the next comparison operator, which is the not equal to. It's like asking if two things are different. I am trying to check if x is different from 10. No, x is different from 10. No, x equal to 10. So it will give me false. Okay, you can see it. Now let's see if x different from 99. Run. And you can see it's true. Okay, this is the second comparison operator. The greater than it's like checking if one thing is bigger than other. The less than is checking for one thing is smaller than the other. So I'm checking if x is greater than 100. Let me check. And it's returning false. So x is not greater than 100. Greater than or equal and less than or equal. Check if one thing is bigger or smaller or equal to the other, respectively. Let me check if x greater than or equal to 10. Run. And here we get true because it's equal to 10. Greater than or equal. It's equal to 10. So this is how we use the comparison operators. There is another type of operators in Java called logical operators. These operators help us combine conditions and make more complex decisions. We have three logical operators: and sign, or not sign operator. The and sign, it's like checking if two things are true at the same time. Let me give you an example. We have a Boolean here, is sunny equal to true. It's sunny today. And Boolean has umbrella or need umbrella equal to false. If we combine these two booleans, these two conditions in one boolean, should go outside. Boolean equal to is sunny and not umbrella, and don't need umbrella, so we can go outside. This is always true because we have this false. Not false is equal to true, so this condition is true. Is sunny is true, so true and the true will return true, so we can go outside. If it is not sunny or we need an umbrella, we can't go outside. Let me create another Boolean. Can play games equal is sunny or need umbrella. In this example, should go outside is related to the weather and the umbrella need. So if it is true, it's sunny and we don't need umbrella. So these two conditions must be true to be true. Here, can play games. Either it's sunny or we need an umbrella. Either it's sunny or it's rainy. It's not the big difference because we can play games on PlayStation or on computer inside the house.